All right, Merry Christmas. Here we are. We're going to work this problem here. And what we have here is an order of operations problem solving for x. So since I'm solving for x, which way do I do the order of operations? You have two options. We have that option, and then we have that option. We can work from top to bottom or bottom to top. And so since we have an equals and an unknown, what are we going to do? Solving for a variable, typically we go from bottom to top. Now, since we have some condensing that has to happen here, we're actually going to use both sides. We're going to go down the steps to go up the steps. So we're going to take care of parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, adding and subtracting. And then we're going to work up the steps after we get it all condensed down. All right. And so my problem is 4x plus 3x minus 2 times x plus 5 equal to negative 9. All right? Everybody good? All right. So take care of our parentheses. Inside the parentheses right here, can I do anything? This is the appropriate time for a response. Okay, but I can't do anything inside of it yet, right? And so now I look for exponents. Any exponents? No. So now I can do my multiplication and division, and my multiplication is the distributive property. So my negative 2 is going to go to both things inside there. And so that's going to become negative 2x minus 10 equal to negative 9. Most common mistake here is that you don't take the negative with you. Okay? So now we move on down to adding and subtracting. Okay? And since I'm on the same side of the equal sign, I still see a number of you that will take this 4 and subtract it from this 3, or vice versa, because you're trying to cancel things out on the same side. When you're on the same side, you have to combine them by adding and subtracting, because we're still doing the simplified version. Okay? And so 4x plus 3x minus 2x gives me 4x plus 3x is 7x, minus 2x is 5x minus 10 equals negative 9. Any more adding and subtracting can I do? I cannot. And so now, since I'm at the bottom, I'm going to work my way back up the steps. Okay? And I'm going to take care of the adding and subtracting here. So when I'm solving, what do I do here? I add the 10 to both sides, because when I'm solving, I want to create a 0. Okay, and so now I've taken care of the adding and subtracting. I work my way up to multiplication division, and we try to create a 1 on the multiplication division. How do I get x by itself? Okay, because we would read that as 5 times x equals 1. So I undo multiplication with division. And so therefore x equals 1/5. And there it is.